Hello everyone. My title of the project is Dental Clinic Management System with SMS feature. The purpose of the project is to have the data of the patients, which will be digitalized and will be shared, and it can be shared easily with the doctors in between the hospitals. So it will be easy for the patients and the doctors to analyze the reports of the patients. Problem statement. The patient management software system features and benefits. It refers to the number of efficient automated system designs for tracking patient information, diagnosis, and prescriptions, um, interactions and encounters within the healthcare organizations like medical clinic or hospitals. The patient management systems are crucial to health of the dental practice. They help automate time consuming tasks so that the both the client and the front office teams can focus on face-to-face interactions with the patients. Project description. Dentists and practice managers can organize the patient's records and dental radiographs, the plans and treatments of the prescriptions, and handle billing, scheduling or rescheduling the appointments, managing HR requirements, lab work management, and do more with ease. The ultimate purpose of the software is to save time and effort. They estimate the need for the manual data entry and manual tracking by automating all the management process. The problem constraints. The limitations of the current system is that the only workable in Internet Explorer for the MyCAD reader. Since it needs ActiveX to connect the device, the user cannot use those browsers which they feel convenient, such as Google Chrome and Firefox. However, since our system is installed under the Windows operating system, the Internet Explorer already pre-installed in the system, so that it will give the convenience to the user. Schedule, resource, and budget constraints. The considerations of the budget constraints and resource comes under the notice for automated systems. The automated service and receivers for every medical staff is required to record the patient's response to the medicine and improvements. The daily schedule of the staffs can be monitored and automated by the staffs themselves. Identify the software project. This is electronic health record software. This software saves the data of the patients in the form of digital format. Create business case. The system may have better improvement in the future, since the current system is being sketched down to few modules. It can be added with more modules such as inventory, billing, data analysis, and so on. In the future, it may help the doctor and nurse to do more tasks with the lesser time. The history of this dental clinic management. The secure message schemes like such a simple, almost everyday technology that it might be easy to overlook its potential. The digital health tool is the Century is SMS. And once again, I will comment. The digital health tool of the century is SMS, said Shahid Shah, a health IT consultant. We know that the digital health tools at their best creates simultaneous awareness, context driven and messaging, and just in time educational to work wonders of all kinds of the behavior change. Indeed, that is providing true for hospitals of all sizes. Halefox Health, Halefox Health, which is in Daytona Beach, Florida. Florida is the one example, and Ringgold Country Hospital. in Mount or in Loa is another. The limitations of this is the another limitation is SMS notifications needs the internet connection since the system is using services that provides by SMS provider. If there are if there is a problem with the internet connection such as it can't connect the network service provider, then the system may fail to send SMS to the patients. Another condition is that the system needs a large disk space in the future. Approach. Approach. The origin of the population health approach is an historic debate over the relationship between economic growth and human health. In Britain and France, the Industrial Revolution disputed the population and health and simulated pioneering the ep- epidemiology studies in, informing the early preventions public health movement. The benefits of this dental software for dentists also makes it easier to book appointments. Sorry. You can book appointments within a few seconds when using the software. This software will also remind you about the appointments automatically. It will also make easy for the patients to book the appointment online. The dental clinic management system management software is also enhance the communications with the patients. It reminds the patients about their appointment automatically at regular intervals that are custom defined. The software makes it easier for the dentist to communicate with the several patients at the same time through the email and messages. It can also be send birthday greetings to the patients. When using our dental patient management software, you will also enjoy the peace of mind. Your data will be secured on the Microsoft Azure server. You can also download your data at any particular time. You also have the option to use the two-step authentication, so a security feature to prevent unauthorized access to your data. So you can only access your data, no one can access your data, so it will be very secure. The conclusion of the project. The waiting time for the patient will be decreased as well as most of the business process is done using the computer rather than handwriting based the besides with implementation of SMS feature, the patients will not miss any appointment. So you can have an appointment at anywhere any time you want, and you can join there, and you can what to say you can go there and visit the hospital, so you can get benefit at any time. Moreover, there is a function to generate MC to the patients. The doctor just needs to sign the MC rather than writing the details of the patient. Although there are similar systems in the market, but those good functions are not implemented together. At the end of the project, the good and new feature of the implementation into the system will solve part of the problems for the healthcare field. So, by the conclusion, I need to say that you can decrease the time, and you can decrease the time by what to say by giving the appointment, by giving and taking the appointments. By giving means I'm just saying by the doctor's side, by giving the appointments and taking the appointments with the patient's side. Okay, you can decrease the time, and you can have the appointment at any time whenever the doctor is free and you are free. That is due to the client. Then you don't have to miss any appointments if you get the notifications regularly. Which means if you have the appointment today at 3 o'clock, then you will start receiving the messages from the morning 11 o'clock. 1 hour, the time limit, the time estimation is 1 hour. So first 11 o'clock, then 12 o'clock it will give another message, then 1 o'clock it will give another message. So you may not able to forget the appointment. So you can you can have the appointment at any time. If the appointment is 3 o'clock, then you cannot forget the appointment. That's the motto. And you can have everything. That means if you are scanning your teeth and just having the X-ray of the teeth, then you can have that X-ray in digital format, so that if you change the hospital, you can it will be easier for the doctors to analyze the complete record of yours. Thank you.